Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Apex Ninja. Welcome back to our channel. Quickly, we have been talking about this, our new system, the SMC trading system, that is SMC indicator. You can see it over here with some trades. Okay, look at this trade. Look at this trade on V75, this very one. What you can see here from the last video we made, we told you whenever you have a CHOCH like this, you can expect to have a signal, and you can see how it went down over here. So what you have here is basically a trap, okay, a breakout trap, a trend line breakout trap, and after that we can expect a signal, and this is the signal. You can see how the trade went back down to break this low. And of course on V75 we are expecting V75 to move up, so we found a CHO, it has a change of character over here. Price pull down to the stop hunt level, and we have a signal, and that's why we are in this trade on V75. And if you can see very well, look at what we are risking on V75. We are risking $1.56 to make about $19 here or $20 thereabout. So when you want to get a system, or you want to use a trading indicator, you want to make sure that the risk to reward ratio is very good. So that's that. On V10S, I think we also have a signal. You can see we took the signal from the lower time frame, actually from 5-minute time frame, and you can see it here. Look at what we are risking here. We are risking $5.81 to make what? To make $30. So that's basically it. Let's see other trades on V75S. You can see we also have a trade. We took this trade on 15-minute time frame. Yes, on 15-minute time frame. Look at the entry over here. After price stop hunted, we've got a signal, and of course you can see what we are risking. We are risking $6, okay, to make what? To make about $32 profits. Okay, so because why do we take this trade? Also, we took this trade because we have a change of character here. Price moved up to give us a M shape. You can see this M shape. So this is the first leg of the M, and this is the second leg. On the second leg we got a signal, and that's why we took this signal, and that's why we are in this trade, because we have a second leg M. Okay, if you can see here, there was no M here, but over here we have M, and that's why we are taking this signal down. Okay, we are taking it down to these points. All right, also on V10 we have a signal. This is a very, very powerful signal. Okay, on this V10 we are expecting price to come to this strong high. That's $30, and we are risking how much? $3. You can see that, guys. So let me show you the result of all the trades from here. You can see, and one important thing about this system is that you can use it with a very small account. You can see this is a $11 account, okay, now $31. So we expect this account to close at least at $50 to $70 thereabout. So you can see this is a very powerful system. If you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you are subscribed right now, and go to the description of this video right now to see how you can get this system for yourself and make DERIV on your own. Once again, I'm Apex Ninja. Thank you for watching our videos, and bye for now.